In this video, I'll be showing you how I remove the mould and water from inside my BMW E30 using a Bissell Spot Clean Pro, a Nilfisk wet and dry vac and some auto finesse all-purpose cleaner. So I've just pulled this car out from amongst the scrap to restore for the summer. Unfortunately, water's got in from behind the dash and around the rear lights, resulting in lots of wet and mould. So this is going to be quite a big restoration project with lots of welding, mechanical work and a full respray. So if anyone's interested in following the project, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for any updates. So first up, I'm going to be removing the mould with the Auto Finesse all-purpose cleaner. I rate it is very good. It's good for removing all the dirt and the grime, and it's been really good for removing the mould in this car. Then I'll be removing the seats and giving it a vac with the Nilfisk vacuum cleaner, and after that I'll be cleaning the carpets with the Bissell Spot Clean Pro.
I just wanna run it up. Kind of check or something. I've been really in the field, let up, I've been really in the field, let her rush, I let her feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check the song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Reverend now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just rock what's on the shelf, and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, let her rush, I let her feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. I just be off the dome. I never own no chrome. Too many foes and clothes. I be at home alone. I be in zones alone. I be on road alone. I've been really in the field. Let her rush, I let her feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Half a ticket to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Lately I just wanna run it up.
So as you can see, we have some fantastic results from the Nilfisk vacuum cleaner, the Bissell Spot Clean Pro and the Auto Finesse all-purpose cleaner. Again, this is a big project on the BMW E30, including lots of bodywork, mechanical and a full respray. So if you're interested, please subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.
Kinda check a song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Reverend now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just back with some